In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App something went wrong. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're encountering a something went wrong error on Cash App, here are some several steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. So first is you want to check your internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Now make sure that you have the latest version of the Cash App installed. So go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and check for updates. Now sometimes simply restarting your device can fix minor glitches. Next is you want to clear cache and data. So this is for Android only. So go to your device settings, go to app settings and look for Cash App. Go to its storage and clear cache and clear data. So the next is you want to reinstall the app. So uninstall the Cash App and then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now check for system updates. So ensure your device's operating system is up to date. So if none of this method works, simply contact Cash App supports. So you may need to contact Cash App support for further assistance. So you can do this through the app or their website. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.